Replacing a 370-volt capacitor with a 440-volt unit increases the voltage margin and does not change the capacitance so long as the microfarad rating matches. When swapping capacitors, always match the microfarad value exactly because capacitance determines filtering, timing, and energy storage behavior. A higher voltage rating like 440 volts simply means the dielectric can withstand higher peak voltages and offers a larger safety margin against voltage spikes and aging. That extra margin can improve long-term reliability because the capacitor operates further below its maximum stress level, reducing internal heating and dielectric breakdown risk. Do not change capacitance to compensate for the higher voltage rating because that alters circuit performance. Only the voltage rating changes, not the capacitance. Also check the working temperature and equivalent series resistance specifications because those affect ripple handling and heat dissipation in power supply or motor drive applications. Finally, observe polarity on electrolytic types and ensure physical size and lead spacing fit the board or chassis to avoid mechanical stress. Common mistakes include assuming any higher voltage part is automatically correct without checking capacitance and dimensions, which can lead to improper filtering or interference with enclosure fit. Fix this by verifying the microfarad value and measuring the available mounting space before ordering. Another issue is ignoring temperature rating and equivalent series resistance, which can cause premature failure under high ripple currents. Solve that by selecting a capacitor with equal or better temperature and ESR specifications tailored to the operating environment. A third concern is reversing polarity or misreading marking conventions when replacing polarized capacitors, which can cause catastrophic failure. Prevent this by double-checking positive and negative markings and tracing the circuit to confirm orientation before soldering. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work through our listings and community. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and pros exchange practical advice, ask questions, and share real-world replacement experiences.